today I am going to do an experiment to demonstrate buoyancy. Buoyancy is the tendency of an object to float in liquid when submerged. So to do this experiment, we will need a test object. I have used an egg here and 2 glasses. I have taken one normal glass of water, filtered water, and this is same water, but I have added 4 tablespoons of salt. So let's start the experiment. First I will put the egg in the normal water. So as you can see, the egg has sink. Now let me take it out. Now let me dry it first. Now I will put the egg in the salt water solution. Wow! Isn't it amazing? It's floating like a boat. The reason behind this is density. When the density of the liquid is lesser than the object will sink. But when the density is more of the if the density of the liquid is more than the object will float. Right here, I want to tell you an amazing fact. Do you know about Dead Sea? It's quite popular. If we jump into the Dead Sea, we will float, as the water of the Dead Sea is very, very salty. Thank you.